Welcome back to Beautyistic Beauties. If you love lashes that make a statement without looking overdone, I think you'll find this one interesting. We're talking about the Tarte Tarteist Pro Cruelty-Free Lashes in the shade Sassy, designed to give you a wispy, full, and fluffy look that adds drama while still feeling wearable. These are full-size lashes made from soft cotton, and as always with Tarte, entirely cruelty-free. When I first opened the packaging, I noticed how lightweight and flexible these lashes are. The cotton fibers are soft, so they don't feel stiff or pokey on the lash line. The design is clearly meant to give volume and length without looking too artificial, which is perfect if you're aiming for that effortlessly glamorous vibe. Applying them was fairly straightforward. The band is thin enough to blend with natural lashes, but sturdy enough that they hold their shape without collapsing. I wore them during a full day of work and evening plans, and they stayed put with no lifting at the corners, which is always a plus. They felt comfortable for hours and didn't irritate my eyes, a common concern with synthetic lashes. The wispy design makes them versatile. They can complement a bold eyeliner or even a softer, natural eye look. One thing I'd point out is that they are a little fuller than some beginners might expect. If you're new to false lashes, you might need a couple of tries to trim and fit them perfectly. But once adjusted, they sit beautifully and really open up the eyes. I love that these lashes are cruelty-free, and the cotton material gives a more natural flutter compared to some synthetic options. The packaging is simple and sleek, keeping the lashes protected and easy to store for multiple uses. In terms of longevity, with proper care, I'd say they could last a handful of wears without losing their shape or fluffiness. These lashes are a bit of an investment compared to drugstore alternatives, but for the quality, comfort, and cruelty-free promise, they're worth it. If you're looking for something more budget-friendly, there are some great synthetic lash options that still offer fullness, though they may lack the soft, natural feel of cotton. Compared to other mid to high-end brands, Tarte's Pro line delivers lashes that are reliable, comfortable, and flattering, which makes them stand out. If you're enjoying this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Overall, these lashes hit the mark for anyone wanting a flirty, full, and wispy look without sacrificing comfort or ethical standards. They're perfect for evenings out, special events, or whenever you want to feel extra sassy with your eyes. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried Tarte's Pro Lashes before, drop a comment below and let us know your favorite style. The link to purchase is in the description or comments. And as always, thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.